In today's video, we're trying something really different. We're taking AI into the kitchen. Now look, I'm not a professional chef or anything. Honestly, I barely know how to put ingredients together properly. But that's exactly why I decided to test out some AI cooking tools. Tools that can generate complete recipes based on what you have at home. I'll be showing you how I use these tools, step by step, to create custom dishes. From entering the ingredients and kitchen tools I have, to choosing what kind of meal I want, and even picking how much time I have to cook. I'll also show you how I use ChatGPT to help me develop prompts when I wasn't sure what to write. So if you've ever been stuck in the kitchen wondering what I should cook today, this video is for you. Let's jump into it and explore how AI can actually help you cook smarter, even if you're just getting started like me. Alright, so the first tool we're using is DishGen, an AI that creates custom recipes from the ingredients you have. First, I log in to the website. After logging in, it takes me straight to the dashboard. From here, there are 4 options to choose from, and I'm going to click on Recipe Generator. Now I'll need to write a prompt telling the AI what ingredients I have or what kind of dish I want. But to be honest, I'm not that good at cooking and don't really know how to write a proper recipe prompt. So, I'll open ChatGPT and ask it to help me write a good prompt for DishGen. Once I get the prompt from ChatGPT, I just copy and paste it into DishGen. Then, I click Generate Recipe. And boom, it gives me a complete recipe with a title, ingredients, and step-by-step instructions. It's actually really helpful when you don't know what to cook or how to even start. Let's check out the next AI cooking tool. Let's try ChefGPT now, a really smart AI tool that helps you cook based on what you already have. Once I log in and land on the dashboard, I open the Generate menu from the right side and choose Pantry Chef. Here's where it gets interesting. ChefGPT asks me for a few things so it can create the best recipe for me. First, I select my ingredients. I just write down whatever I have at home. Then, I type in the kind of meal I want to cook. For example, lunch or dinner. Next, it asks what kitchen tools I have. Since I'm just testing it, I turn on all the options to see what kind of recipe it gives. After that, I enter how much time I have to prepare the meal. I just put in around 30 to 45 minutes. Then it asks what kind of chef I am. Beginner, intermediate, or advanced. I choose beginner, because I'm still learning. Then it asks me to choose a chef mode. There are 2 options, gourmet mode and all-in mode. I go with all-in mode, which uses all the ingredients I listed, even the weird combinations. It's for people who like surprises. Once all that's filled out, I click Generate. And in just a few seconds, ChefGPT gives me a complete recipe based on everything I entered: ingredients, tools, time, and skill level. It even includes a recipe name, ingredients list, and step-by-step instructions that are super easy to follow. And that's it. We explored DishGen and ChefGPT, 2 powerful AI tools to make cooking easier, even if you're a beginner like me. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which one you try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.